Welcome to Real Kiwi Fishing. This week, Stevo and I are in the north, in the harbour today. Good old bait and burley bash. So we've just turned up to one of our favourite spots in the harbour. I'll try here to start with. Got the soft baits on board as well. Might even do a bit of soft baiting, but we'll see how we go. Just had a bit of a storm go through past couple of days, so we're hoping the fish are being pushed up the harbour. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Bait and burley bash in the far north. Oh, yep. Well, that didn't take long, guys. First bait. Stevo's getting a few knocks as well. My fun combo too. Got the little Komodo. Kahawai, Stevo. Don't mind a couple of kahawai. Stevo's on. A couple of kahawai for bait if the big snappies turn up for us. Yeah, on my fun combo today. Start off with. Stevo's on a kahawai as well. Hope we don't get plagued by those. Couple of kahawai to start off with. Let's hope the snappies turn up for us. What we'll do if we get into a few snaps, some nice snaps. I've got the big trevally spot too down the back end of this little channel. See if we can get onto a few of those as well. stop being a pain. You do enough of that on the land. The water's quite funny colour, eh? Like quite bright white. Oh yeah. Back on the water, guys. Second bait. This one feels like a snapper, if we're lucky. Running that VMC Shore Set hook. Yeah, snappy, Stevo. Oh. Nice little snapper to start the day off. It's quite lit up actually. There you go guys, nice snappy. So yeah, I'm running that hook again. Basically a mutsu. That was my second bait. So yeah, that's the hook there. You guys have probably seen it quite a lot now. Cuts back on itself. Little bead, little half ounce. Not a lot of current at the moment. Third bait, third fish hopefully. So yeah, been heaps of thunderstorms and rain. It's a big swell on the coast. Yep. Woo, Stevo's on. Stevo's on. Bit of a nicey, is it? Nice penny. Nice penny, Danny. Similar size. Oh yeah. Got a customer, Stevo. pretty much a fish every bait. Not in the bait bin, you numpty. Just shows you haven't been fishing for so long, eh? Good. Just a little guy, but he did actually swallow that recurve, so we might have to keep him. It's well takeable. He's probably about 37, 36, 37. Just a little fella around that 37, 36, 37. Had to keep him. Swallowed the hook. Not where you're going. 3 baits, 3 fish. Keep the fish here. Straight away, Stevo. Getting close to high tide. Might go off the bite. But we'll see. It's a heap of fish here, guys. Pretty much every bait. Just the usual for the harbour. Behind you. Just another snappy. Quite long, eh, these fish? Bleeder. Yeah, might not be here too long if that rain turns up. Another one for the bin. Another about a 43, 44. In. They were swimming towards, I don't know if it's a trevally or a kahawai, I think. Yep, kahawai. Plenty of kahawai. Big chunk of kahawai, fresh kahawai. See if we can get something bigger. Stevo's on. Another Kawai. Kawai on the Kawai. There's definitely plenty of fish here, Stevo.
Sure is.
Could probably come out here, half an hour, get a feed and back home if you really wanted to.
Sounds mean.
Nothing big as yet. But nice filleting and eating fish. About another 38, 37, 38. Just lip hooked, so we'll let him go. Give it a good throw. Normally get those Kawai up closer to that burley. Oh, Stevo. Come on, Stevo. Because you love it. And a little kingy. Look. Heaps of little kingies, look. Geez, they're all nice fish. Not big, but all around that same size. Hooked it up. They're all about that same size, eh? Another nicey though.
Nicest one that I see.
Oh yeah, boy. You just had to talk about it, eh?
Tapu'd it.
Stevo's on. Gee, you love the Kontiki, man. Okay guys, thought what we'd do is when we were fishing in the harbour, it was wind against tide, fish went off the bite a little bit, still picked up a couple but nothing major happened, so thought what we'd do is come back, put the boat away, and we've grabbed the Kontiki and we've got the surf casters as well. So thought we'd come down Tokerau. We've got a big swell rolling in, probably a bit of weed that we might have to contend with. But sometimes when we've got this swell rolling in, those sort of eastern beaches, it brings the fish in. So fingers crossed we can get the Tiki out, get the baits out without too much hassle weed wise, and we might even flick out the surf caster later on. But yeah, see how we go. Hopefully get a few fish on the Tiki. Good thing is we've got a couple of those Whatuwhiwhi that we caught in the harbour, so we've got our favourite bait, so we can't use that as an excuse. Okay guys, all baited up, got our favourite baits, fresh kahawai, big swell rolling in, no sign of weed on the shoreline here, but we've seen a few guys pulling in a Tiki before, further down the beach there, and didn't look too good. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Something to do. Okay. Stevo's dropping her in. Okay, Stevo's dropped her in. It's not too many times that it has to contend with waves on the east coast. Chucking a couple of baits in front of that first sinker. Middle sinker. Sinker going on. We got 3 baits going in behind the last sinker. Okay guys, it's been on the soak for about 40 minutes. So we'll start cranking her in, see how we go with this weed. A couple of guys have stopped on the way, sort of driving down the beach, and said they've seen a lot of weed on the guys' lines up and down the beach. So see how we go. A couple of fish should be good. It's not even weed, it's all pippies, it's all pippies. It's not even weed. Like biting the line. Okay, plenty of weed, and the first hooks are coming.
Bloody wave picked the old rubber ducky up and dumped it.
One fish there, small. Looks like there might be one more. Looks like a nice snapper maybe. Hard to tell. One nice snapper. Looks like another fish there. Another couple. Stingray.
There you go, guys. Wasn't that bad in the weed, just not a lot of fish. There was weed caught up around some of those baits, so not too bad. We got 5 on the boat, we kept 5, we let go a few on the boat this morning. We've got 3 there, so basically 8 or 9 fish all up for the day, which isn't too bad. Bit of fun, and like I was saying, sort of that weather's kept us at bay a little bit, so not too bad. Bit of fun up in the far north, beautiful far north. So yeah, we'll call it fun day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, tight lines.